Alright, need two 4L60E reverse input sealing rings. Put them on here. Use your tool to put them on, but you can't use your tool to resize them. It doesn't work very well. Need a little lube. It's going to help when you go to put the drum on later. You're going to have to do this pretty quick because it unsizes itself. This is a 4L80 Telhausen bushing. This is the best way I've found to get these resized. Make sure your sealing rings are lined up and just tighten it down as tight as you can get it. These are the originals. I'm going to let that sit there for a few seconds. Get you some lube, put on the back side of your drum. May have to do this a couple times. It does fit pretty snug. You got to get it on there pretty straight. May have to leave this there for a little bit. Another trick you can do if you're having too much trouble, you can put this clamp on there, tighten it down, and go stick this in the freezer for a little while. This doesn't work here pretty quick. That's probably what I'm going to do, and I'll have to come back later. Which what you're going to do is you're going to get that resized, get that drum to where it goes down on there, and just leave it on there until you're ready to put that back cover on. You get down to the drum, you're going to drop the drum in there really quick. You can put that back cover on there really quick before them rings have a chance to expand. It's not wanting to go, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on there. I'm going to go throw it in the freezer, and I'll come back. Okay, we've been about an hour in the freezer. Don't usually take that long, but I've had other things I've been doing. So we get this off. It's also might as well get the bearing and put on there, so we're sitting at the right height. Alright, spin that around a few times, seated it good. Just let that sit until it's time to stick it in the case. Alright, we're going to throw the drum in there now. Be sure and never check your tubes. Make sure they're not cracked around here. Crack. Okay. Nice snug fit. Hopefully we can get this to go right on there and not have a problem. Can be a little bit of a pain to put on there, but it seals up much better. Now we got to try to go just as straight as we can. Alright, right on there. Got to make sure it's all the way flat, otherwise that ring will be sticking up just a little bit and it'll keep you from going all the way down.